With the manufacturing industry, it's surprising to see that 90% of the machines in the world are still offline. We provide an end-to-end solution from the hardware device that connects to the machines all the way to the software that the user then uses to view their manufacturing process and efficiency. And that's one of the key differentiators as well, because a lot of companies out there today are either selling just the devices or they're selling just the software. And these manufacturers need to bring in consultancy companies to come in and join the two together. Our solution provides the monitoring of their production, their rejections, any unplanned downtimes, and how they're doing with their planned jobs. Are they on track? Are they running behind schedule? Is there something that any actions that they can take proactively so that they can make sure that they can serve their end customers in an efficient way?
We've got roughly 45 machines, injection molding machines on site, as well as tooling and engineering departments on site with their own equipment. Deploying ThingTrax is great. Each device is wireless, so there's no prior work needed to set it up. The engineers can install the device in the molding machine, and as soon as it's connected, we're good to go.
The main benefits for using ThingTrax would be to improve our overall efficiency, to reduce our downtime and make us more competitive, because in our marketplace we need to be the best, we need to always constantly improve, and we need the data to be able to do that.
The key power that Azure brings into this mix is the fact that we can now store this information directly from our device straight into the cloud. We store a large amount of information from each of these machines. And Azure really helps us in two ways. One is to ingest massive amount of data. The second is to do analysis on that data. We use some interesting machine learning algorithms and Microsoft Cloud Hadoop services to do computation, which is again very efficient in terms of the way it's elastic in nature. And then it lets us send actionable insights to our customers. Microsoft have been with us pretty much from day one. Their support has been available, starting from email, the way we would set up our development environments and our test environments. We worked with the Bespark program, which gave us access to the right vital resources, which are very important for us as a startup. And then they also helped us from technical side of things. So we've had some really brilliant advice from Microsoft, both from the cloud and architecture point of view, as well as from the device design point of view.